My name is Raymond. I'm the CEO of Netgenbiz.com Private Limited. So basically, we are a technology company for mostly for the hotel industry. We do also for the enterprise, which is those normal corporations also. Okay, basically at ReadySpace, we have engaged them a few years ago. We hosted our cloud-based solution, which is one of our hotel product line, which is our workflow. So it has to be on cloud so that our various customers, one of them was in Thailand, some in Malaysia, and a few in Singapore. So we got a solution, cloud-based solution from ReadySpace. For that purpose also, we engage ReadySpace service for the cloud server and for our own application testing on cloud, so that we keep a lot of our storage of our documentation also on the server. But at the same time, we use it as a staging server and a test server for various of our applications. So since we are a software development house, so we actually have a few applications running on that server, from Java-based application to PHP Apache, and running on MySQL database. So basically, we have a range of a few products. We use ReadySpace as a test platform before we roll out our products. We also, after we have done our testing and verification, then our guys will remotely install into the on-prem server, or we go down to install on the existing customer server that has been provided by them. All right, and do the whole setup again. But at least the software testing part, we do it on cloud, on ReadySpace. We have decided that since we have been using ReadySpace for a while, and there was, the service-wise, there was no glitches for us. Through the, we use it as a test server and a demo website also. Sometimes we go to customer place, we do a sales presentation, we use that server to demonstrate our cloud-based solution on the ReadySpace server. Though it's not a live server for customer testing, so it was used like a demo website, demo site to demonstrate our product on cloud. And so far, we didn't encounter any issues. So now we have an actual customer that to be deployed. So we decided to use ReadySpace actual server for our actual cloud customer deployment for a cloud-based solution. Okay, yes. Earlier I told you that ReadySpace we're using as a staging or testing server, and then we deploy at the customer site. There was about 2 years ago, we used AWS for our customers, because some of our customers in Malaysia and Singapore, maybe 2 or 3, and Malaysia about 2 or 3 also, followed by one in Bangkok. So we decided to use AWS, thinking that AWS is, of course, the leading player. So we want to play safe, don't want to use at that point in time any others. So AWS was good, the performance-wise and all that. But this time round, when we had this new customer of ours that we did, I discussed with my programmer that since ReadySpace is also offering same type of, we can use the same type of services, and why not we try them out, since so far we have been using as a staging server and test server, and the price is of course much cheaper. So not say much cheaper, but reasonable. So we decided to give it a shot. So that's where we sign up lately for a new server that will be deployed for the customer will go live with that server for cloud-based e-learning solution. Okay, actually, first place we all the while using ReadySpace. We didn't use ReadySpace for any live deployment a few years ago. So thinking that go with AWS. Then lately, 2 months back, Oracle of course purchased, because Oracle say they can give a better deal than AWS and at the same performance. So we went to try out also. So when we tried out, maybe the cloud server platform they gave us, performance-wise is okay, but we tried the uploading. The test server that they gave us was not. the uploading time was not fast enough compared to ReadySpace. And also price-wise, ReadySpace and Oracle also, even though Oracle is lower than AWS, they say, but ReadySpace was more economical. I mean, I compare everything. So then I decided, since ReadySpace, the performance-wise, we didn't find any glitches at the moment or downtime. So we decided, why not just go with ReadySpace with this COVID time. Also, the pricing also plays a part. I mean, we cannot just spend money at higher cost, right? So we decided to embark on this. Okay, of course, customer service is okay through the ticketing system and sometimes to phone call. There was good. I mean, we are able to get contacted through the ticketing system, so that's good. And also, at some cases, I think Ken was the one. I think beginning also, few years ago when he first started, he was the one set up, and so quite responsive. And then also answering to your queries and questions. So it's good the response. So, but my programmer told me that, hey, actually, now if we are using ReadySpace, then we have to, if you just say ReadySpace, maybe the name compared to AWS not there but at least you can tell them that, hey, we have security feature that we buy from the, those for protection and all that to ensure that the server and the backup system and all that. But for now, we ourselves got it, so that shows the confidence we have. Anyway, this one that we are embarking on is one hotel property, but of course later on there'll be more adding to it, you see. So, and then of course the server has to scale up. You have nothing to lose because they should first try them, not say try out, they should just sign up for 1 month. If they not to their performance, they don't lose much because the price is affordable. But based on my experience, we tested out last time initially when my sales guy is the one I told him look for a cloud-based server. Cloud server. So then he introduced me ReadySpace. So meet up with ReadySpace people and then we bought it, right? So that was 3 years ago. So now we are still using happy customer of theirs, right? So of course with that, I think it carries weight. Not just we did not use them just for test server. Now we are actually using for actual customer that instead of recommending AWS, we ourselves use ReadySpace. And I would tell my customer, hey, don't look at the name that you think is AWS, but it's affordability. At the end, it's back to back, right? If the cost is high, we still have to charge back to the customer, right? So we'll tell them that you still can get the equal performance as that, but other feature-wise, if there's more to it, they want like maybe deployment in multi-site other regions, then we have to discuss with ReadySpace further that how is their, how's their system across the region, so how they,